There, I'm Lee Whittier, the Dog Show Mentor, and I'm here today with Teresa Bradley and Passion. And she's going to show you a few things about what not to do when you're showing the dentition of your dog. Take it away, Teresa.
Okay. See, the first thing we're not going to do is feed the dog while the judge is trying to see the teeth or while we're trying to get the teeth to be shown. The second thing we're not going to do is drop our collar and just let the dog be, because if there is a problem and it's shy, it'll back away. If there's a problem and it wants to get away that way, you don't have a lot of control. There's nothing much to do. So we don't drop the collar, we don't feed the dog, we don't use all our fingers to do the bite, which, believe it or not, most people try to do it this way, and it's really hard for the judge to see. And
it's uncomfortable for the dog to have the nose leather lifted.
Right. So fewer fingers, thumb, 2 fingers to do the bite, the best, rather than all this. And finally, remember the judge needs to see the teeth, not the handler. So we don't want to lean in front of the judge's view.
Thanks, Teresa. That was terrific. Dog Show Mentor signing off. Hi, I'm Lee Whittier, the Dog Show Mentor, and I'm here today with Teresa Bradley and Passion. And Teresa's going to talk about dentition today. She's going to tell you what she's showing the judge, what the judge needs to see, and she's going to give you a few tips about where she puts her hands and how she deals with the difficult topic of slime. Take it away, Teresa.
Okay, first off, the judge is coming up and you have your cookie in your hand. So we need to deal with the cookie because you can't show the bite and hold a cookie. So the cookie either has to go quickly back in your pocket or into your mouth, which is a lot of times what I do because it's there handy. At which time I want to show the front teeth, make sure it's closed so they see a scissors bite. Then I go and I show the side, and I have control of my dog with the hand in the collar. I just use my fingers in here and then this V right here to hold the head. I do the side, preferably if the dog opens the mouth and pants, then they can see all the side, and the P1 sometimes hides. So sometimes I just have to use my finger and just tuck that in. I hope the judge would tell me they're looking for that tooth so that I can help them that way, but not always do they. So then I turn the other side, same thing, all down this side. If it's slightly open, it's easier for them to see. At which time, the hard ones are the little button teeth back here, and I keep my hand in here, and I open very slightly. The trick to opening the mouth is not to really open it, because they don't like it. So I just partially open it and try to teach them to relax, and often I will treat them right out of my mouth, so they learn to open their mouth.
That's terrific, Teresa. And I just wanted to talk about those back teeth and sometimes why judges can't see it when the mouth is all the way cranked open is because the tongue gets in the way when the mouth is open to that degree. It's just a physical reaction that tongue will, and particularly if it's hot and it swells up, you can't see anything. As she said, open the mouth just a little bit. Thanks so much, Teresa.
No problem.
This is the end of part 2, Dog Show Mentor. Thanks for being here. Hi there, I'm Lee Whittier, the Dog Show Mentor. In this part of the dentition videos, I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like when an exhibitor is able to show the dentition to the judge quickly and efficiently. So I'm going to start by approaching the dog, and then Teresa's going to show me the dentition. And you'll see how quick and easy it can be, and without any fuss or muss, when the dog is trained and the handler understands how to show the mouth. So in this breed, I do approach from a 3/4 angle. And ma'am, would you please
Absolutely.
show me the mouth? And I've got seeing the front, and I can see the sides completely. I can even see that P1 that's elusive, and I can even see, look at how she's pulling the lips up. I can see this side, and open please, slightly, thank you, and I saw that, and I'm done. There you go. It's easy as pie. I know you can do it too. Thanks, Teresa.
Very welcome.
Dog Show Mentor, signing off. Whittier, the Dog Show Mentor, and I'm here today with Teresa Bradley and Passion. And what we're going to talk about today is dentition. What your breed's dentition in the standard calls for, and I'm going to demonstrate what a judge needs to see on a full dentition breed. And Teresa's going to demonstrate how she does that. So as a judge, I'm going to approach the dog from a 3/4 angle, and I'm going to wait until I'm going to say good morning to the exhibitor or good afternoon so that the dog feels comfortable and the exhibitor feels comfortable. And I say, would you show me the mouth, please? And as I do that, she's going to show me the mouth. And I'm putting my hand under the dog's muzzle to make contact with her. I'm looking for 6 upper, 6 lower incisors, and a scissors bite because the Rottweiler standard calls for scissors bite. I'm also going to look on the sides and say, show me the sides, please. And notice that she allows her dogs to relax. She gently pulls the lips back so that I can see the 4 upper and 4 lower premolars on this side and the 3 molars in the back. And then I say, please show me the other side, and the same thing. We're very relaxed. There's no tension in her or the dog, and I'm standing upright. Notice that Teresa's head is not in my way. I've looked at both the premolars on the upper and lower sides, lower levels, and on both sides. And now I'm going to say, please show me the 2 molars in the back. She's going to open the mouth slightly, and I'm going to very easily see them because the mouth is not open too far. And at that point, I maintain contact with the dog and continue my exam. As a Rottweiler judge, I understand that this can sometimes be uncomfortable for the dog, but it doesn't have to be if the handler knows what they're doing. And notice that Passion did sit down, but it didn't affect my ability to see the teeth, and it was no problem. She just reset her for me to do the rest of the exam. Thanks, Teresa. Next time, Teresa's going to talk about how she does the exam so that it's easy for her dog and comfortable for everyone, and so that the judge sees what they need to see. Thanks, Teresa.
Thank you.
Bye for now. Dog Show Mentor signing off.